Hello and welcome to my channel Cook and Bake with Deepa. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a few of my kitchen essentials which has made my life in the kitchen easy. Most of these products I either bought it from Amazon or from IKEA, and I have given the buying link for all these products in the description box below. So if you're interested in any of these products, do check out the description box. And for those products which are from IKEA, I have found similar products on Amazon and I've given the link for those as well in the description box. So let's quickly go ahead and check out the kitchen essentials. So the first product is a steamer basket. It's made of stainless steel and the handle is of food grade plastic, whereas the legs are of silicone. As you all know, steaming is a healthy cooking choice because it helps to retain more than 90% of the nutrients. I basically use this steamer to steam veggies, and I also use this to prepare my baby food. One best thing about this steamer is that it expands and collapses to fit pots and pans of all sizes. And also because it collapses easily, it's easier to store and it occupies less space. Next is this stainless steel colander or strainer. I bought this from IKEA. Not to worry, it's available on Amazon as well, and I have left the buying link for the same in the description box. So it has these adjustable handles. This strainer can fit into most of the kitchen sinks because of its adjustable handles. It is one of my favorite because it is multifunctional. I use it for washing my veggies and fruits, and I also use it as a strainer to strain the rice or pasta. Next is this revolving spice rack which has 6 spice jars in it. It's made up of stainless steel and glass, and the lid is made of plastic. It's very easy to use it. Just twist it all the way through, and it has both shaker and pour function. So you can use it to store both ground spices as well as whole spices. Next is this stainless steel box grater from IKEA. It's got various grating options and it's also got a slicer. It's quite sturdy and the handle gives a very firm grip. The best part about this grater is that there is no spillover. Next is this apple cutter. This plate at the bottom helps to protect the blades when not in use. It's very simple to use it and it easily removes the core. At the same time, it slices the apple as well. Next is this glass storage jar with a brush, or you can call it an oil dispenser. It's made of high strength borosilicate glass, so it could be placed next to your cooktop. Also, this brush can be used directly on the pan, and once you close the lid, it's spill proof. It's ideal for storing ghee, oil, honey, or any liquid sauce. Next are these glass mixing bowl. Mixing bowl of different sizes are a must-have in every kitchen, and I highly recommend glass mixing bowl for the simple reason that They do not absorb any stain or odor. Also, these come with lid which has an air vent on it, which you can either keep it open or closed according to your convenience. And these bowls can be safely used in microwave, oven, fridge, freezer and dishwasher. So these bowls don't just serve as a mixing bowl, but you can also store food in it or use it as a serving bowl. Also, these bowls are stackable, so they need very less storage space. Next are these sealing clippers. These come in different sizes and they're mainly used to clip different kinds of plastic bags, food bags, paper bags, and so on. I mainly use these clippers to clip my opened grocery bags or snack packets. They help in keeping the food item intact and fresh. Also, these bag clips can be safely used in your refrigerators. They're quite sturdy and reusable. Moving on to our last product, which is this ice cream scoop. Apart from just using this ice cream scooper to scoop out my ice cream, I also use it when I want to bake or cook something of the same size. Like, say for example, when I want to make some laddus, or when I want to scoop out some pancake batter, or even for scooping out muffins or cupcakes into the baking tray. So these were a few of my favorite kitchen essentials. Let me know as to which was your favorite amongst these. And if you're interested in buying any of these, do check for the buying link in the description box. And if you enjoyed watching this video, ensure to click on that like button. And if you're new to my channel, do not leave without clicking on that subscribe button, because I have more of such content coming up. Until I see you all the next time, take care. Bye bye.